Okay, sana maging saya na lahat sa gabing ito. Thank you.
Thank you, boss!
Thank you, boss!
But I just want to thank the entire South Packaging that they invited me here sa business party, even if I left the group po. But I also want to thank, take this moment to thank all of you then on my short stay in South Packaging, because I actually enjoyed my stay in South Packaging, and I actually miss the people in South Packaging. If there are times na I can be able to go to the floor, they usually pupunta ako sa South Packaging because yun nga po, I miss these people and I miss interacting with these people. Even if there are times na medyo masakit sa ulo. pero overall, I thank God for this group, because this group of people they may have their own personalities, but at the end of the day, I can see the unity between all of us. Kasi at the end of the day, natatapos natin yung trabaho, kahit yung mga tambak, kahit pagod na tayo, we are finishing the job. And that's why I want to congratulate everyone for this another successful year po na binigay ni Lord sa atin lahat. So, I just want to say that just keep on doing a good job and keep on
Pero thank you po dahil na-acknowledge niyo ako as sabi ko supervisor, and then yung katulad din sabi ni Kenneth, hindi magiging posible yung magiging supervisor ko or magiging leader ko sa inyo kung hindi dahil sa lahat ng teamwork nyo, pagtutulungan sa isa't isa. Though napakahirap po ng trabaho natin, pero dahil po nagkakaisa ang lahat, nagiging posible, nagiging magaan para sa lahat. And thank you sa lahat ng effort nyo, appreciated ko lahat yun. Thank you!